This article comes from investing.com. Wheat, what's good for inflation isn't good for the bulls. Wheat down 23% since end September, may have to lose 4% more before rebounding. Charts show a potential low of $6.82 after Thursday's close. Factors contributing to the decline include higher U.S. production, tight commodity supplies, and competition from Russia and the EU. At Thursday's settlement, front month wheat for May delivery on the CBOT or Chicago Board of Trade settled at $7.12 per bushel. That was down more than $2 a bushel from September's close. From September, though, wheat prices have consistently fallen. One reason is higher U.S. production. The USDA projects wheat acres, driven by strong pricing, to jump 3.8 million acres to 49.5 million acres, which, if realized, would be the largest in 7 crop years. Let's go straight to the charts. Now, I did this analysis maybe 4 weeks ago, and there were no setups at that time, but I believe we have a setup underway. Also, the analysis at the time that I did was just from a technical analysis. I did not know why prices were declining until now. So the technicals are matching the fundamentals. So from a big picture standpoint, we have a low of 400, really $4 per bushel, and up here, this was about $13 per bushel back in March of 2022, and it's pretty much been in a steady decline since then. You can see that a little better on the weekly. After this massive end pattern, price broke down, making a lower low, low high, and then we had this consolidation. 4 weeks ago I said we need to wait to see whether price breaks out to the upside or the downside. Let's go to the daily chart, and you can see that price broke out to the upside, but it was a false breakout. And now we have multiple closes below this range. Now this little basing right here, that's the smart money building a position. That's all that is. And I bet they're building a position to take price lower. Now the article said that price should decline another 4% before prices rebound. That would mean roughly a rebound at this 680 level. However, I see that there are daily buyers further down below at 620. And you have this beautiful level right here at the 631. Right? Price came down. Price couldn't go any lower. We had strong volume come in. We had an accumulation of orders, and then we had this explosive move higher with 3 consecutive extended long range candles to the upside. So this is the area where I envision price getting to, because that's where all the orders are. So the 620 level is where I anticipate a bounce. For me, this is an opportunity below the $700 mark, which is $7 per bushel, to get short. I will be watching this Monday morning at the open to see if I can take this short on a day trade. Until next time.